Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Azarton Cam. Oh, clearly see the moments that matters. 1080p Full HD, 2.8mm focal length, 1/2 9-inch CMOS sensor. 1920 to 1080. This is full HD. Image so clear we won't miss a thing. And 110 degrees wide angle lens. We see more comprehensively. And we can connect it multiple cameras to one app. The multiple cameras can be bound to the same device for simultaneously monitoring. And we can use it for first aid. When an emergency occurs, the family members can be notified with one click. At the same time, the family members can learn about the situation in time according to the synchronized transmission of the live video and use voice for comfort and guidance. We can talk to furry friends when we are not at home, but our pet hears the voice of its dearest person. Guess what? It will feel good, isn't it? Oh yeah, because we have a two-way audio, two-way video call function. No matter how far away, we can chat in real time with our family or pets or other things. And we can use it for time-lapse. And additional to helping us understand the entire process of, for example, flowering, the time-lapse photography can also see more natural changes. If we share it with our circle of friends, it will make more friends find it fun. And we have incredible trigger sensitivity, fast detect and track any sensitive motion. Alarm notifications will be sent to our phone via the app and capture beautiful moments. That means we can capture the events of a day with beautiful time-lapse videos. Simply schedule the start and end time as well as how often we want our camera to take a picture. And on board there is more night vision, low light, full color technology to extend the color screen time starlight grade image sensor with a larger f2.0 aperture allows us to see color images even in low light. And innovative 3-axis base design. The camera can be rotated and adjusted at any angle. The magnetic base can be attached to metal surfaces such as refrigerators and heaters, or it can be fixed to the wall with double-sided tape. It can be placed wherever we want. And free rolling 7-day cloud storage. The Azarton Cam automatically records a 12-second event video when it detects motion or sound. Videos are securely uploaded to the AWS cloud via end-to-end encryption and are accessible for 7 days. No subscription or monthly fees required. AWS cloud, HTTPS secure transfer protocol, and unlimited storage. And continuous recording. We can use a micro SD card, which is not included, for continuous recording and storage. The camera will overwrite the oldest file when the micro SD card is filled up. We can use up to 32 GB of micro SD cards for that. For example, HD quality means 2 days of recording, SD 7 up to 8 days. And our data are in safe, really safe. It is very important to Azarton to guarantee our optimal data protection and optimal data security because they respect our privacy. Of course, they always use the latest technology to prevent unauthorized persons from accessing our data. because it's up to HTTPS Secure Transfer Protocol and EU privacy policy compliant. Secure European servers that respect our privacy. Oh yeah. We will get an Azarton Cam, an USB cable, and power adapter, a quick start guide, and wall plate, and a mounting tape. On the front side of the cam, we can see the lens and the microphone. On the back side of the Azarton Cam, we can see a USB output and power input, and status light and micro SD slot, and that's enough because we can use it for all what we are going to do. On the back side, it's the bottom side, I think. It's the setup button. This setup button we have to push, and then we can pair this Azarton Cam with the Azarton app from our smartphone easily. To attach the Azarton Cam to any place, we can use the wall plate or plus the mounting tape. To get energy into it, we use the USB cable. I think it's 2-meter range, and the power adapter. It's an Azarton Smart Camera. It's really easy to set up. Search Azarton in the App Store, iOS users, or the Google Play Store for Android users. Load and install the Azarton app. Then we have to connect the camera to a power outlet and wait for 15 seconds until the yellow status light flashes. Then press the setup button for 3 seconds until you hear the voice prompt. And then follow easily the Azarton app to the finished setup. That means we have to enter our Wi-Fi password. Take care, it's only 2.4 gigahertz, but if you have a router with 5 gigahertz, it's possible to get a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network too. No problem with that. It is the Azarton Smart Camera is easy connected to it. Then we will get an QR code. This QR code we have to scan with the Azarton Cam there itself. And then, job's done. Then we can use the app easily to make a two-way audio, to make photos, to make videos, etc. Yeah. And that's a good and nice videos, and good resolution is on board. The Azarton Smart Camera is the Azarton C1 in the package C2. The resolution is 1920 to 1080. This is Full HD. The lens is in 2.0 f aperture, 110 degrees wide angle. The night market distance is nearly 9 meters, and it comes with pickup speakers. It supports Wi-Fi, etc. to 2.4 gigahertz. We can use storage micro SD cards up to 32 gigabyte. The power input has to be 5 volt 1 ampere. That means you can also use other power input like your smartphone AC adapter for it, or a computer USB port, or even a power bank is possible. The working temperatures from the 0 degrees Celsius to 40. The operation temperature is lower than 90 degrees, okay? At room temperature of 40 degrees, it's enough, okay? Storage is micro SD card up to 64 gigabyte, not only 32. I think it was 32 gigabyte. It's 32 gigabyte. The supported versions are iOS and Android 8.0 or above, and iOS 9 and above too. And it makes, for this good price, Cam, a really good video, really good footage. It's awesome. It's really awesome, and everything what we need is on board with that tiny little Azarton Cam. And I like it really much because of the magnetic thing on the bottom plate. We can dock it to our fridge, for example, easily. That's awesome. And the sound is good too, no problem. And the app is easy to connect, easy to install, and of course easy to use. That means all, the entire Azarton Cam system is clearly see the moments that matters for us, and it's really easy to use and have fun with that. And of course, you can use additional Azarton Cams in one app. That means you can make a little bit of a lot of Azarton Cams on your property and have fun with it. That's awesome fun. I like it. So that's the Azarton Cam. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun.